It's not good? What am I doing? I had a taste for some hot chocolate. So what I'm doing is looking for a mug. We don't have any mugs. They must all be in the dishwasher. Hold on. I thought for sure I had a clean mug out. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to wash the mug. I can't believe, I know we are not out of mugs. Oh my goodness. I was not planning to have to wash a mug. Oh wait, here they are. Somebody moved them. Okay. I went and grabbed a dirty one, but I found some clean ones. Okay, so we have the glasses in one section, and now it looks like somebody put the mugs in a different section. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna use this New York mug. And I am making a cup of hot chocolate from Starbucks. The Starbucks hot cocoa. Pretty good. And I'm getting my day started. I don't always start with a hot beverage, but I just had a taste for some hot chocolate today. And I'm going to mix it with some almond milk. My mom gave me a really good tip. She told me to like pour a little liquid on top of the powder and then mix everything up to kind of make like a paste kind of. And then after everything is all mixed up, then add more milk or water or whatever you're using. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave. I love that tip because before doing this, I would pour the milk in and then the powder would just be kind of floating on top of the milk. But now I'm trying to get it like a little paste. Hopefully you can see that. So now that it's nice and thick, I'm gonna add more milk and stir a little bit. And then my microwave has a beverage setting. And I use that and it comes out perfect. Sometimes it's a little too hot, but at least it's not cold or lukewarm. So I'm going to just stir this in some more until it all dissolves. Why am I so happy to have some hot chocolate this morning? But I am. And I like using this not Cool Whip. It's called Cocoa Whip. I buy it from Sprouts, and I've also seen it at Whole Foods. Okay, let me pop this in the microwave because I want to show you all something I bought yesterday, or it came in the mail yesterday. Okay, so I received some packages from Amazon yesterday. I am so excited about this little item that I picked up. Believe it or not, it is a bucket. And I wanted to have my own bucket. It collapses. So I'm pressing it out. And then once it's all opened, then you have like a full bucket. If I can get it, there you go. So it's an actual bucket that collapses. I love this because whenever I want to mop the floor, I usually go in the garage and grab one of my husband's buckets, and it's usually filled with stuff on the inside. And I was like, you know what, how about I just get my own bucket, and since it's collapsible, once I'm done with it, I can hang it up and I can clean it out easily and just keep it somewhere where I know where it is whenever I need it. So anyway, I'm so happy to have this little bucket. I can't even wait to mop the floor now. My husband had this little bitty hole in his jeans and he asked me if I could fix it. Let me see if you can see. It's a little tiny little hole. And he even went out and bought some patches. I said, oh my gosh, bless your heart. I don't know where he got these patches from. Let me go ask him. Where did you buy these patches from?
Walmart, I think.
Walmart, okay. So I pulled out one of the patches. I'm just gonna take this and place it under the hole. I'm gonna have to stick it down some type of way, and then I'm just gonna close the hole up. I could either zigzag over it or hand stitch it. I haven't figured it out. But yeah, that's my project for the day. Okay, I'm finished. I did the best I could. This is where the hole was. So hopefully that'll be all right. I'm actually sewing a bucket hat. I pulled out some of my scraps and decided to make a little hat. So it shouldn't take long to get this all done. Okay, baby. What? My husband came in here, but I guess he didn't want to say anything on camera. I made this pattern before. This is, what is this? Quick sew. What is this? Okay, so there's two numbers. It's quick sew 4277, but it's also Simplicity 9509. And the first time I made it, the brim was a little bit wider than I wanted it to be. So I took the brim piece, which is piece number 7, and I cut off 1 3/8 inches so that it wouldn't be so wide and hanging over so low. But now I'm hoping I didn't cut it off too much. So it's a little shorter, so I like that better. And I didn't interface it, which would help make it thicker, or not stiffer, that's the word. The brim would be more stiff if I interfaced it, but I didn't do that. So now what I'm gonna do is take the other piece, which is like the lining. I'm gonna put them together, stitch them, turn them inside out, flip it, and then I should be all done. Nice and quick. Okay, hat is all done. I actually really like it. So you can wear it down like this, or you can flip it. It doesn't want to stay up since I don't have the interfacing in there. So if I make this again, I may go ahead and add buckram, is what it's called, which is a very stiff piece of fabric. It's like interfacing. It is an interfacing, and it's called buckram instead of like the softer interfacing. So yeah, but I like it, and I'm still gonna wear it even without the stiffener in there. I still like it. Easy peasy. I just finished putting on this lipstick by Mario. I actually received this as a free gift from Sephora. I had some points, and I actually love this. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I really do. It's called Rosewood Glow. I just put it on, and I like it because it's kind of like a pink, mauve-y, neutral looking color. We're at the Rose Bowl in Pasadena. They're having this big food event. So yeah, I brought my appetite, so we're on our way in. Oh, we can't take this? I'm actually headed back to the car because I had my camera on the tripod, and they told me no selfie sticks allowed. So this is the tripod that I had. But anyway, we're going to go put it back in the car. My husband got a peach cobbler from the Cobbler King. I want to see it. It's supposed to have ice cream on it.
He asked if I wanted it. I said no.
Oh, okay. Is it warm?
They've just been sitting out.
Okay, I want to know if it's good.
Oh, yes.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay. We walked around the event probably 2 good times, if not more. And we decided to come back to the car and just relax for a minute. We got our hands stamped just in case. Oh, you probably can't see that. I wonder what it says, by the way. Oh, foodie land or something like that. But anyway, we may go back in. We're still trying to decide. We were looking at our apps to see how many steps we got today. I think mine said like 5,000, wasn't it? 5,000?
Mm-hmm.
And how many did you get?
Oh, I did some other stuff today too, so hold on, I got something else.
My husband got more steps than I did because he went out and did more things before I actually got out. So he should have well over 5,000 for sure.
Mm-hmm.
He's checking. I don't normally keep up with my apps, but he asked me to open my heart app and it was in there. I was like, oh my goodness, I never checked that. I had no idea that it was keeping up with my steps on a regular basis. So that was pretty cool.
I'm trying to find out some other stuff. I had 7,600 or something like that.
7,600 for him. That's good, real good.
It was not.
It's not good?
No, I mean, for today it's okay. Because I haven't worked out today, but I definitely want to get more than 10,000.
He wants to get more than 10,000. I think 7,000 is great. But I understand if you have a daily goal, you know, of like 10,000. So I get it. Oh, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's around 8 o'clock in the morning and it's a little cool out here, but I just wanted to come out and reflect on last night. We had a really good time hanging out. Have you all ever had jollof rice? I hope I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right. I've never had that before, and when we were walking around when we first got to the event yesterday, we were trying to figure out what we wanted to eat, and I noticed that one place was selling jollof rice. So I kept that in the back of my mind. The place was like in the very beginning, so I wanted to walk around and see what else they had, and then I was like, if I don't see anything else, I'll get the rice. So I got the fried pickles. I was so happy, and they were good, right? So I ate the fried pickles. I was satisfied. So I was like, okay, I don't want the rice, I'm cool. Then when we went to the car and we sat in the car, we stayed in the car until it got dark. So I got hungry again. My husband was kind of hungry too. So I was like, okay, well, I could go back in there and get the rice. But two things. Honestly, it had gotten cold and I didn't want to walk back out and go back. I didn't want to get back out of the car and walk back into the place, be cold, and I was feeling a little lazy. I was relaxed and comfortable, so I was like, I don't want to get out. Plus, the rice was $20, and I was like, that's kind of steep, I think. And what if I don't like it, you know? And so then I was like, no, never mind. So we left and went to Chili's. And I'm so happy we did, because we were able to both eat and get something we liked for under $20. So I thought that was really a good decision, even though I didn't get to try the rice, but hopefully one day I will. So if you all have had it, let me know what you think. Is it good? Is it worth trying? I was reading the description about the rice, and it said it's kind of like a tomato based rice, kind of spicy, maybe a little sweet. I was like, I don't know, because I don't like sweet and savory together. So anyway, what are your thoughts? And at Chili's, my husband got burger, fries, and I got beans, rice, and tortillas, and I just made like a little taco, and I had a little salsa. I was happy and satisfied. Which way you want to go?
We just go around the block. We go either way. So that's how many steps I have.
You have it? Okay.
Today, I'm working out and I'm going to get to my goal today.
Okay, so he's at 88.39. So we're going walking around the block so he can get his 10,000 steps. All right, ready?
Yeah.
And it is nice. He was telling me how nice it is out here. It's about 10:40. And yeah, it is nice. It's not chilly at all. It's actually really beautiful. So I know you all can't see me, so I might as well hang it up. But I did just want to share what we're doing and how we're enjoying this beautiful weather, this nice night.